Virtual floor is turned on by accessing the control menu and virtual warnings, then limits. First, turn virtual floor on, and then the point can be set where the bucket currently is, or it can be manually set by typing in a number. Virtual floor is like Overdig Protect, but this feature will not hydraulically stop the machine from going below grade. It will audibly and visually warn the operator only. With automatics engaged, the machine will dig to the designed surface. Adding the virtual floor feature will then give the operator a warning when they are near grade.